Okay, so it's time to do our daily legal question. So today, Monday 17th, have a million question. So hopefully we can solve this million question without looking at the solution. But I think we could probably because there is there are two hints on this million question. So yeah, so let's see what question we got today. So today we have the 1048 longest, and it's not bad. It's almost 2000. So think this question is probably worth for us to solve this. And yeah, get started today's question. Okay, so let's read this together. Longest and given a list of words, each word let's say words one. Hello, which one? This yesterday's. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, yeah, yesterday's. But today is okay. Today we even got two questions, so today should be okay. And yesterday I actually yesterday I read the solution to do the hard question. Was go for no. I think they started this daily long time ago, right? I think it was late last year, and it start out easy, but I guess they run out of question quickly, and then suddenly it becomes like this. And then I don't know since when they start doing hard question on weekend, and then I forgot since when they starting have two hard questions during the week. So yeah, so sometimes sometimes we got easy question and that will be too quick. And I usually only string one question, the daily question every day. So I don't know. I like yesterday I didn't expect that I would string like more than 1 hour. But like today we have a median, so I should be okay. The stream should be okay, not too long. Then okay, cool. So so right now let's read this. Probably not. We have two. So so we have word one. Can only one letter anywhere in word one is a say ABAC. A word chain of words. Okay. So word one, word K and one. Where word one is a word two is a predecessor. Then the longest possible length word chain found. Okay. It's like a word ladder. So we have a list of words, and we need to find the longest what? Longest word chain. So is it an array or a subsequence? Sub array. So we have A, B, A, uh, and there's four. Why? So A is not A. B A is okay. So it is a subsequence, not a subarray. So you first have to figure out the and what they mean of the is actually a string, a subsequence of this array, not a subarray. Originally, I think that should be continuing consecutively. So yeah. So for this one, I guess E is not, but it is, but this is okay. So the first one is a one. So zero is E is the 4. So what? 5. Hold on. Add one letter. Okay, I don't even. So I add one letter. It will not become. Okay, so you swap those. So you got XP, then CXP 5. So okay, I got it. So I guess we need to sort it, right? Sort it by length first, if we can reorder it. But after sorting, so do we need to care about? Okay, let's the hint because we can sort it and then by length, and then we need to find this instead of adding a character, try deleting a character from a. What's the benefit? For each word in order of for each word to next length. So is this telling us this? So we sort by length and then start from the back. So okay. How? But why do we start from the back though? So the length of the this. Okay, I think this is. So they are trying to. So I just don't know why we are going. So if I sorted our string, so probably then I will have a. So it's for. So now I have a DP table. Then for each word, I will try to remove one character and find. Yeah, but I think it's probably better to do. Or why decrease better than it faster? Okay, so let's say if we are going to do. So let's say so if we are doing backwards, so deep like uh -1 is 0, right? So if I would do it backward, if I do it backward, the last one, no, the last one for each one is Okay, and then yeah, each one should be one, right? So because it will always contain itself, and then I remove for each character, I remove one, and then I try to find if this character is in the word, and then I need to find it where. Do I use a set? Not set, hash map. So do I use a hash map? Oh, oh, this is, but I don't get the hint. Get the hint. And how do I quickly find the previous word, which is the I delete one character, and but I can't the array. I can't quickly find the value unless I put it in the. But I don't want to put it in the map with the index. Oh, I can for a million give up. Well, so I am going. I don't know. Let's try it. I'm going to map from string to int of the. Yeah, I want to do map, and then let's that one have a length. Then I go it. I don't need it. So why do I need it? Probably don't even need it. So let's try to do it backward for I equal. So oh, and then so I would put her goes to like then get or what so I will get the current word, so WRDI, then I can get it 1, right? So I'm so the current length is 1 because it only contains itself. And then for 90j equals to 0, j is less what's the word's I, length j plus plus, then I want to remove one character. So I will just do a substring. So I will do a substring. So string b equals to like word dot word I um words I subs, because I want a substring to cut off the jth one. So how to cut off the jth one will be start from 0 to j plus another substring. Um, will be j from j plus 1. So this way we cut off one character and get the pre. So then I want to know if pre is the string. So if I want to know that, actually when I generate the map, I should put everything. So for word word, so for each string word word want to like then the length is a little bit let me rename it later, but for now len is okay. Then the put, so put this word one, right? So each word initially will form length one, see, right? Okay. So now there will be no get or default. I will just get it. I get the current. I would cut off the string. So if len that contains like v, then we'll put, then we will put what? So len that for the pre, what to put in there. So it should math a max. So let's compare the original value in then that get v. So end up pre. So I compare to her plus one, right? Okay. The logic, I'm not sure if it's correct, but the logic is that I cut off one character and then I try to find that previous character's maximum length. So compared to me plus one, because there might be other like me already plus one and make it longer. So I wanted to next one set in there. Okay. And after I set them, right, because even it's not, go to check the next, because we are going to the map. So I want to probably have in S, or let's just call it max. Max will goes to smallest value is, then okay. So I need to know this. So let's take it out. So integer throughput goes to this, and my max will be equals to math of this. Then I will put so in the end, after I've done this, I will return. I don't think it is correct. Really? Okay, I want to do. Yeah, it's wrong. Okay, so what was wrong? So I sort by what? Oh, I should sort by length. Is the problem? I should sort by length, right? But if you sort by sort the string array by array, probably sort by the Luxing Lux sort by the order in the section. So let's try to oh, so if there are their length is so come on. So let's try to sort so I will have the a dot length better better. Do I have any other example that I can try? I want to try like okay, so what if I won't hey, I guess that's correct. I think. But do we have any edge? So the word length is from 1 to 1000. So but I'm just each word's length, each string, the length will be less than. So I would not use 1000 times 6 for this do for loop. So I think the time is okay, and we only have lowercase left. So I the sort okay too, and also the substring okay too. Although the string is probably uh there's no after 2 days of hard question, finally I can get one without looking. Okay, so the time complexity is definitely the length times word's length because I'm traversing this. Okay, so which one is bigger? Maybe n log n because I sort by the what the length of the words. So it's n log n plus n times length. That's the time complexity. The space complexity, I don't need a deep. Why am the so code already? But I am not using a piece of my space. So only like app, right? So the space complexity is O of n. So guess that's it. So let's see. Let me, yeah, after I think so. Let me submission. Ooh, oh, I've done this before. The time. Okay, I'm about in the middle of every submission, and I am worse compared to other people in the space, and I am curious about how other people. So let's check this first. So approach top-down dynamic recursion, and I used recursion. No, so recursion is a DFS, and so you call the longest string length have a set, and you add. Oh, I have add all the words into the set, and then for each word you call the DFS. Hold on, you sort. Don't need to sort. Okay, yeah. If you are doing DFS, you don't really sort, right? So you only find your neighbor, and your neighbor is one character less than you. Need the char a char at I. Also something like, oh, because they are using Stream Builder. Okay, that will be faster. That's okay. So this is a top down. If you find your child, then your length is 1 plus DFS with your child. Okay, so this is the DP with recursion. So yeah, actually, yeah, why didn't I think about this though? Because if you are thinking about dynamic programming, you can always do it almost, can almost always do top down FS plus a that will. Why I didn't with this you don't, and button up what I'm doing, then I do need to sort. Yes, I sort by length because I actually I did based on hint. And Stream Builder, I need to know to learn to use Stream Builder so I can direct instead of doing the substring. It will be slow. And the predecessor previous line is the math. Okay, so damn, this is probably the, yeah. So my solution is no. Okay, so this is a DP questions. Then we have two solutions. One is top-down DP, another one is bottom-up DP. And then let's see if the question gives us more ideas. So all of them are DP. Of course, Lee 1.5 is. Then the wrong problem, DP with hash map. Easy solution with must read. Uh, why must read? Must read. Same as even solution official. So can't help but want to see and log n. And as for the for loop, the second base is so time complexity due to for the for loop where the second s the station. Oh, okay, okay. He actually count the string generation. Oh, he's doing the same thing with what I'm doing. Yeah, to cut off the string by substring by using so and then Lee 15 also count this in complexity analysis. Okay, so I think good, good, but we are the same. Not often that I buy some and guess it. I guess yeah. So today we learned what? We learned DP. So yeah. So what I have learned is that I confirm myself that I can recognize this. This is a DP question. So yeah, good for me. Word. This is similar to word ladder. What is yeah, and then yeah, I think a very basic but good dynamic programming practice with the stream manipulation. Because usually when we think about deep, we usually use deep array, but this show you is I actually start with starting a deep array, but I soon realized that so we use the hash map as a I guess this lesson learned, right? DP doesn't mean that you have to use everybody using array, then you sometimes you use here, I guess this better way. Okay, thank you for watching, I guess. Hopefully tomorrow we will have another medium question such as this, like this one that we can solve by maybe looking at the hint but not the solution because when I'm doing this I want to give up. Look at the because I'm not sure what I'm doing is but it turns out that I'm lucky. My first is also I followed it. Oh, and DP there are a lot of times when you are doing a one-dimensional DP, you are going to do it from back to back from the back of the array back to front of. Okay, I guess that's all we learned today. So my friend, if you are watching, I don't know if you already finished buying this question, but I guess this is it for today's streaming, for today's daily question. And I will see you third time tomorrow for another LeetCode daily question. Okay? So thank you. Bye.